to our YouTube channel VTU Solver. Today we are discussing about some important questions. BMATS101. From Module 1 there are some important questions. The first question is with usual notation prove that tan phi is equal to r into d theta by dr. And the second question is with usual notation prove that 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square plus 1 by r power 4 into dr by d theta into 2. And the third question is find the angle between the curves. The angle between the curves sometimes ask the different equation. Below mentioned the some important. The first question is 1 a by 1 plus cos theta and r is equal to b by 1 minus cos theta. And the second question is r is equal to a log theta and r is equal to a by log theta. The third question is 6 cos theta and r is equal to 2 plus 1 cos theta. And the fourth question is show that the radius of curvature at any point 0 on the solenoid. Two equations are there, different types. The first equation is x is equal to a into theta plus sin theta, comma y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta is 4a cos theta by 2. And the second equation is y is equal to x power 3 into x minus a at the point a comma 0. And the fifth question is show that the curves r is equal to a into 1 plus sin theta and r is equal to a into 1 minus sin theta cut each other orthogonally. And the last question is find the pedal equation of the curve. The pedal equation sometimes asks 2a by r is equal to 1 plus cos theta and the another and sometimes ask r into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2a. The second module, first question, expand log into 1 plus sin x up to the term containing x power 4 using Maclaurin series. And the second question is expand log into sec x up to the term containing x power 4 using Maclaurin series. And the third question is if u is equal to log into tan x plus tan y plus tan z, show that the sin 2x dou u by dou x plus sin 2y dou u by dou y plus sin 2z dou u by dou z is equal to 2. And the fourth question is if u is equal to f into x minus y comma y minus z comma z minus x, show that the dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to 0. And the fifth question is if x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z is equal to r cos theta, find the value of dou x y z divided by dou r comma theta comma phi. And the last question is evaluate limit x tends to 0 a power x plus b power x plus c power x divided by 3 whole power 1 by x. And the next third module there are some important questions, 6 important questions. Find the first question is find the orthogonal trajectory of r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta where a is parameter. And the second question is solve p square plus 2py cot x minus y square is equal to 0. And the third question is find the general solution of the equation px minus y into p y plus x is equal to tp by reducing into Calicrate's form by taking the substitution x is equal to x square comma y is equal to y square. And the fourth question is solve dy by dx plus y by x is equal to x square into y power 6. And the fifth question is solve y into 2xy plus 1 into dx minus x dy is equal to 0. And the last question is find the orthogonal trajectory of the family r power n sin n theta is equal to a power n. The fourth module, the first question is find the remainder when the 2 power 23 is divided by 47. And that sub question is find the last digit in 7 power 118. And the second question is find the solution of the linear congruence 11x congruence to 4 of mod 25. The third question is find the remainder when 175 into 113 into 53 is divided by 11. And the sub question second is solve the x power 3 plus 5x plus 1 congruence to 0 mod 7. And the fourth question is find the remainder when 349 into 74 into 36 is divided by 3. And the fifth question is find the remainder when 14 factorial is divided by 17. And the last question is using Fermat's little theorem show that 8 power 13 minus 1 is divided by 31. And the last module, fifth module, in that first question is find the rank of the matrix. The given matrix is 1 2 4 3 2 4 6 8 4 8 12 16 1 2 3 4. The second question is solve the system of equation by using the Gauss-Jordan method. The equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 10 comma 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 19 comma x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 22. In the Gauss-Jordan method they may ask some different equations, you may have to practice it. And the third question is using power method find the largest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix. The given matrix is 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2. And the fourth question is solve the following system of equation by Gauss-Seidel method. The equation is 10x plus y plus z is equal to 12, x plus 10y plus z is equal to 12, x plus y plus 10z is equal to 12. In the Gauss-Seidel method, they may ask some different equations. You may have to practice. And the fifth question, solve the system of equation by Gauss elimination method. The equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 9, x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 3. In this also same, they may ask different equation. You have to practice. And the last question is for what value of a and b, a system of equation x plus y plus z is equal to 6 ratio, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 10 ratio, x plus 2y plus az is equal to b has. The first sub question is no solution, the second sub question is a unique solution, and the third question is sub question is infinite number of solution. You have to pass in the subject, then you have to focus on the module 1, module 4 and module 5. These three modules will help you in the exam to pass. And thank you for watching our video.